I'm crazy. I'm very crazy, completely crazy, you know. Be crazy. I just want to speak about crazy, but I love to be crazy, you know. I own that shit. I'm crazy as that I am. You can see me posting very deep spiritual wisdom and also some or a lot of crazy stuff. I love crazy. I love being myself. I'm crazy as that I am, and I own that shit. The one sweet boy, he asked actually, how can you be at peace and crazy? You must be crazy. You must be at peace with everything if you want to be crazy. You cannot be crazy from the heart. You act crazy in the world if you are not at peace with everything and everyone. He said everything and everyone. If you are not at peace with everything and everyone, you cannot be crazy because you dare not to be themselves. Yourself. I'm crazy. I very poor sleep tonight, so I have more reason to go crazy. And I go crazy. This is crazy video. So I tell you now. If you are at peace with everything, with source, with God, with yourself, with everyone, you can be crazy as that I am, and there's no problem. Crazy is being yourself, following your heart. First of all, what is crazy? They call you crazy. People call you crazy for being spiritual. People call you crazy for reading this book. People call you crazy because you have this hand gesture and because you talk like this. People call you crazy for many ways. For everything what is not normal, people call you crazy. Hey, I must tell you something, my crazy people. And with crazy people, I mean love only. Crazy people, listen. They want you to be normal as everybody else is. Crazy comes when you are at peace with yourself. All the great people, you see Salvador Dali, Einstein, many, Eminem, many, everyone, Jim Carrey, and list go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Everyone crazy, they dare to be crazy. Crazy means not to fit in the norm of society, not to be normal, but to be crazy as that I am, crazy as that you are, weird. I own that shit, I'm crazy and I own that shit, I give you my word. And God knows it and God loves that I am crazy as that I am, as above, so below, crazy. When you know yourself, and you act from the heart. In this world, if you act what is in your heart, they call you crazy for everything. Even if you wave your hand like this is crazy. If you eat in certain way, this is crazy. Everything what is not normal to them is crazy. So I love to be crazy as that I am. Look, I'm watching directly at the sun. Because I was so crazy that when I was little boy, I was watching in the sun and only my eyesight is improving. Nothing else. To be crazy. Don't do that. I did this from childhood. Now I can watch in the sun for hours at almost noon. You know. Anyway, it's not about that. But I am crazy. You are crazy. Be crazy in your own way. To be crazy means that to follow your heart, to act in a ways that is in your heart. If there is comedy and craziness and wackiness and wacky tunes like in me, in you, then you have to be crazy in this way. You have to be crazy in your own way. Crazy means that you are actually at peace with everything and everyone, because you know yourself and your truth does not change what they think, what they say. If they say you are crazy, if they think they are crazy, if they write books about you that you are crazy, no problem, I'm crazy. Look, I'm very crazy, completely crazy. You must know completely crazy. I'm crazy. No problem. I tell them I'm more crazy. Sorry, I am not. I'm not qualified to be in your company. I'm crazy. You have to stay in your normal company. I go crazy because you know yourself, and when you know yourself, you no more care what they say. You no more want to please them. You no more want to fit in. You want to stand out and be crazy. And you can be crazy only as you are. It doesn't mean you have to go crazy. You express your heart. You express your true love from the heart in the way that you want to dance. And yes, for something people are to judge you because people don't dare to be crazy. People want to be normal according to the norm. Crazy is weird, weird is crazy, normal is being according to the norm. Crazy is being from the heart. That's why Salvador Dali crazy, Einstein crazy, Lalonde crazy, all the Indian big saints, they say crazy, Ramakrishna Huga crazy. If you see what this crazy man, Osho crazy. Crazy, I love crazy people. I'm a crazy man that I am. Crazy is good. And if you are not at peace with everything and everyone, if you are not at peace with yourself, you don't dare to be crazy because you think what they will say, then think what they will do, you think what they will judge you, you think they will change you, so you want to fit in, so you please them and you fit in their normal box. They don't call you crazy, but when you dare to be yourself, you're crazy. But you are at peace with yourself, with everyone else, with their judgments, with their thinking. They say, Saint should not be like this crazy acting in this video. Yes, I can even more crazy. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. If you tell me don't go crazy, I go completely crazy. I give you my crazy love. Crazy little Vingo love. Oh, I have a crazy joke. My way of crazy is to from the heart give a crazy joke. I remember this was, I don't know how many, this was some time around of Moses, I feel. I know I was leading some people through the desert, you know, leading them somewhere to the promised land. God knows where this is, but this long and very crazy man, not crazy like in a good way, crazy of this world. They were very normal men there, and complaining. They want to go to the promised land, complaining. So I had to smoke a lot of weed, jobless, always weed, so peaceful, because this man complaining completely always. So, you know, on the holy hill, I was growing ganja, very big, jobless, big plantation. And I told the people, don't go there, God is there appearing, because if they go there, they'll take my ganja. So they don't go there, I go there, I bring you message. So like this, these crazy people. I go there on the holy hill to pick up ganja, to water, to all this stuff, and I see the burning bush on fire, all ganja went on fire, completely crazy. What the fuck? You know, Moses, if he don't smoke weed, he go crazy, divine rage. He got everything in fire. You know, the burning bush, everything burned, the bush burned. So went down, then angry, bad temper, went down. And these people, these crazy men, these normal men, they're not crazy, they're normal. But if I'm crazy, then I think I'm normal, and then they're crazy. So these men, they took all the jewelry for their woman, and they make golden bull to worship a golden bull. All this gold must be on a woman, go very decorated, so that this crazy man could worship a bull. And they smoked all the left ganja that was there, jobless, on the downhill. So what happened? When no ganja, such anger that the ground opened and it swallowed them. So it's good to have a little bit jobless, a little bit this Om Shanti, if you like, and be crazy. I just tell you crazy joke because I be crazy. You can tell everything, all the truth and nothing but the truth, because so help you God. And so it is. And if people think you crazy, no problem. You tell them another joke. And another joke is that everything here is a joke. It's a crazy joke, everything here. And I'm speaking now like a Borat. Like a Borat of India a little bit, and Pakistan and all over Uzbekistan. Like this because it's crazy. When you go crazy, you laugh. Even when the weather is bad, you are the sunshine in the weather. And this is not usually my accent. This is my comedian accent, and you see this very much. So you can only say that crazy joke like, this was not joke before, this was truth. You have to protect the ganja from crazy people. You tell God is appearing on a hill. Okay? No problem. But there was also, I remember one time ago, drinking with the boys, and I tell to mother, three days I'll be back, 3 days I'll be back, mother, be at peace. And then boys hammered me so bad I woke up in some tree cave 3 days after, in some cave. Oh God, it felt like rising from dead, and mother would kill me, so they have to invent some story, crazy story, but it was all about alcohol. So now no more drinking, no more bad temper, no more angry, everything okay, beautiful, I love you, be crazy as that I am. Because when you don't care what people say, what people do, what people will judge you, you say the crazy shit that is most possible in a joke. And the joke is the reality. The truth is a joke, and all the lies are serious. So go crazy as that I am. I love you. Namaste, and let us all be crazy. And if anybody wants to support my crazy art, I give you all my love for every coin and everything. I put the PayPal account for my crazy work, and also which is not so crazy, but crazy in a very beautiful way. Everything crazy is beautiful. You receive white light source healing from me beyond time and space. As crazy as that I am, your crazy fate heal you. So go crazy. I love you. Let us go crazy. Oh, let us go crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Mwah. Be crazy. Because when you are at peace with everything and everyone, then you can be crazy. I give you my word. I love you. Mwah.